Welcome to day 4 of our history lessons. I hope you enjoyed playing the Mary Seacole game last time and that you were able to answer some of those questions about you've got information in your packs. Today we are going to have a look at Florence Nightingale and Mary Seacole, both of them, and we're going to see how they compare. So talk to your partner. What do you think compare means? Press play when you're ready to carry on. So comparing is when we look at two different things or even more, and we think about what is the same and what is different about them. Talk to a partner again now. Can you think of any similarities between Florence Nightingale and Mary Seacole? And can you think of any differences? When you're ready to talk about that, pause the video, press play when you're ready for the next thing. So both nurses there, Florence Nightingale, Mary Seacole, lots of similarities, but some differences as well. And we're going to have a go at a Venn diagram today, which looks like this. And you have some pictures in your pack that look like this on a separate sheet. So find those, and then what you'll need to do is cut them out. When you're cutting them out, discuss them with the person who's helping you. What do they show? What do they mean? And then what you'll need to do is to sort them according to whether they remind you of Florence Nightingale or Mary Seacole or both of those people. And you can stick them onto the Venn diagram on the next page. So here is the Venn diagram. And what I've done is I've written on the nurses' names. That's a really good idea. I'd like you to do that as well. Florence Nightingale and Mary Seacole. Remember the capital letters for their names and also to spell them properly. So just a few things here as an example. I've got some herbal remedies, some medicines. I've got a lamp and I've got a mop. Let's have a look at this one first, the herbal medicines, the traditional medicines. Was that more Florence Nightingale's thing or Mary Seacole? Well, it was Mary Seacole, and she'd learned some of those from her mum, remember, in Jamaica. The lamp. Who was it that was known as the lady with the lamp? It was Florence Nightingale. Now, Mary Seacole would have used the lamp, I'm sure, but Florence Nightingale is really known for that. And I've got a mop here as well, representing cleanliness, keeping things clean. So who was it that kept things clean? Well, Florence Nightingale was very important in promoting that. Mary Seacole kept things clean as well. So actually I'm going to put that one into the middle there. Have a go at those now. Now, pause the video while you do that, and then there's just one last thing that we're going to talk about for today's lesson. Good luck. And finally, after we've done the Venn diagram, nurses today. How do Florence Nightingale and Mary Seacole compare with nurses today? This is a discussion I'd like for you to have with a person helping you. Nurses and doctors and care workers have been in the news a lot recently during the coronavirus epidemic. Look at these questions. I'll read them to you, but I would like for you to talk about them with the person you're working with. Where do nurses work today? How do they help people? Do nurses from the UK go to work in any other countries like Mary Seacole and Florence Nightingale did? And are there any special hospitals for injured soldiers? If so, where are they? Maybe you could look into that. Make those comparisons. That's a really important skill in history, and I will see you for the next lesson next time.